The Pingatan Bridge in Alcala, Cagayan has collapsed. And to give us updates is Alcala Town Mayor Tin Antonio. Good evening, Mayor.
Good evening, Mrs. Good evening to all our viewers.
Mayor, tell us what happened.
At around 4:30 this afternoon, very unfortunately, our Pingatan Bridge, which is maintained by the DPWH along the Maharlika National Highway, collapsed. Ostensibly, the collapse was due to the passing by of two big trucks and two six-wheelers at the same time. But as looking at the site and as local chief executive, I have some questions which I hope would be answered upon the investigation that will be taken up later. This is an old bridge, he says. It is 45 years old. And so it is nearing the lifespan of permanent bridges, which is 50 years old. And secondly, although there is a sign that says the capacity is 18 tons, this road and this bridge is the only national highway traversing this part of Cagayan. And so there is no other choice except for trucks and big vehicles to pass by this bridge. And so ang tanong ko, kung ang gamit ng mga trucks dito ay talagang pangmalalakihan, this is the national highway, bakit 18 tons lang ang bridge na ito? So those are questions that I hope would be answered.
Mayor, this is a repeat of what happened in Isabela, although that was a newer bridge.
Yes, I believe so. And that is why we really must look into this problem, because it's not just a matter of monitoring the capacity of bridges, but what is the alternative for the vehicles? Saan sila dadaan? This is the only national highway in this part of the province, connecting Cagayan to Ilocos and to Isabela. So these are questions that must be looked into. Alangan naman na every bridge ay i-monitor kung ilang mga vehicles ang dadaan.
Right. So what would be the impact to the economy, to trade?
At this point, we are looking into the alternative routes. The governor is here on site. I am as well here on site, and we are working on an alternative route for light vehicles. Fortunately, there is a circumferential road for light vehicles, but for heavy vehicles, there's going to be a longer route. So the impact on the economy will be really negative, because it will hamper mobility, goods and services. And of course, as local chief executive of Alcala, the alternative route is a barangay road. So talagang mahirap for us to really maintain, lalo na kung dadaanan ng maraming mga sasakyan na dapat ay traffic for the national highway.
Mayor Tin, before this accident happened, ano ba yung kalakaran dyan before trucks enter the bridge? Because dun sa Isabela, Cabagan Bridge, ang nagyari is super overloaded yung truck na dumaan. Ganun din ba yung case? Is it too early and you don't have enough information? Or does someone stay at either end of the bridge to kind of weigh the trucks? Kasi sometimes that's what you see. Diba? Iniisa-isa, someone manages the traffic flow.
That should be the case by the DPWH, because it is a bridge maintained by the DPWH says. But we need more answers, which we don't have right now.
Is the regional director of the DPWH or the district engineer there on site?
I'm sorry, Seth.
Meron bang mga tauhan po ng DPWH dyan ngayon? You said the governor's there, you're there. Where is DPWH?
Yes, they arrived as well. Yes, the DPWH Assistant Regional Director is here, I think. And the PNP, our Governor, Gov. Egay Aglipay, we are all here to assess the situation and to provide short-term solutions and hopefully to look into long-term solutions.
Just to confirm again, Mayor, wala naman pong casualties from this accident, and how many are injured, if ever? Because there were several 10-wheeler trucks that were passing by when this accident happened. And what kind of assistance po will be given to them?
There were 2 people who were injured, but thankfully no casualties assessed. And we extended the help. We rushed them to the nearest hospital.
And Mayor, finally, what is the explanation of the DPWH to you?
We haven't had the chance to speak because they just arrived this evening, and in a minute or two, I will ask them for their explanation.
All right, we will await the update from your end. Thank you very much for talking to us, Mayor Tin Antonio of Alcala in Cagayan.